discuss the distribution of karst landscape in different parts of the world. Can we consider karst topography as a special case of fluvial cycle? When I say discuss the distribution, can you tell me what all should be part of your answer? Okay. Discuss का मतलब क्या होता है? Where do we have? Why do we have them there? ठीक है? Discuss ये होगा. What are the conditions in which they develop? See, अगर if not able to open up this word, अगर ये खोल नहीं पाओगे ना, what the meaning of discuss, then you are trapped, or you will write haphazard. Okay, 10 गोली मार दोगे, एक लग गया नहीं तो नहीं, और क्या? Why do we have it there is not exactly same as conditions. Okay, so I will differentiate, because why do we have them there? This I might talk in terms of maybe the specific lithology, and conditions I will talk about factors other than lithology. So I'll do something there. I need to have 1 or 2 points, no? Yeah, I'm creating these points, understand this. These subheads is what I'm creating. Okay, I'm creating some of the subheads. Okay? So if I do not have at least 2 or 3 subheads, the subheads make no sense. To discuss the distribution, so if you look at where do we have karst topography, the most famous is, yes, now you say they are on the eastern coasts of Adriatic Sea. So we have parts of Albania, Croatia, Bosnia Herzegovina. They are parts of the Balkan Peninsula. तो ऐसे लिखोगे लगेगा कि हाँ तो ज्योग्राफी पता है आपको, and you can probably have a small sketch of this kind, and you could shade this part and say, okay, this is where we have the karst regions, this is the Adriatic Sea, okay, this Italy, okay, your pasta, your olive, your spaghetti, okay, come from Italy, and this is Adriatic Sea. Fashion capital is not Italy, it is Milan. So city का नाम बोलो, Milan. Don't say Italy, but say Milan, the fashion capital. ठीक है? Okay. Where else karst features? Mexican region. Mexican में area है called as Yucatan. We have the chalk hills of Britain. We have parts of US, the states of Indiana, the states of Kentucky. Okay. Bahamas तो पता नहीं, but South Florida में है. There are some islands in South Florida called as the Florida Keys. Those areas have some limestone. Okay. Then you talk about what is the lithological factor क्या है? Basically limestone beds, dolomite beds, chalk regions. Okay. Gypsum beds का तो पता नहीं है, but yes, they are linked to limestone, dolomite. You might have that. Okay. And very importantly, that these should be relatively horizontal होने चाहिए, and they must not be exposed and should not be too deep either. They should not be at great depth either. Okay, अगर exposed होगा, they'll get eroded. That's why not too deep. And other factors में these type of limestone beds, they should be in areas of relatively drier climate. It should not be wet regions. Wet regions mein limestone will dissolve. So we have lithological factors that control the distribution, and what are the other areas, other factors mein dry. And you can have a small discussion on karst regions of India. India में कहाँ पर है? Karst regions of India we have in parts of Rohtas district, we have in the Vindhyas bhi hai, Rewa and Satna region have this. We have in parts of Andhra Pradesh near Vizag, we have Bora caves. This is also part of what's called as Araku Valley, Andhra Pradesh mein. We also have in parts of Meghalaya. So you could draw the map of India and show some of the parts, Bastar region, yahan par. They are in parts of the hills, in the Kaimur hills, Rohtas in Bihar. The next question I asked was, तो ये आपका हो गया approximately good 1 page का discussion है ये वाला. So did you see what I did? The question was rather open-ended. Discuss the distribution. Do you see how I developed the answer? कहाँ पर है बताओ? Do you have drawn a map? You discuss the conditions. फिर India पे लेके गए. And I'm sure many of you, not all of you, many of you knew these things. But इसको organize कैसे करना है? Looks like you're discussing the distribution. वो important है. ठीक है? So take note of that. Okay. The next point I asked was, can we consider the karst topography as a special case of fluvial cycle? So you'll say, yes, that is how Davis explained karst cycle. It is a special case because it is related to lithology. And the karst cycle also has 3 stages. But the landforms associated are unique and different. I said, ये special क्यों है? Why am I saying special case? Because the karst is related to lithology, limestone, which in the regular model of Davis, he had never considered. Okay? Plus, I'm saying karst cycle also has 3 stages. So there is an initial stage, there is a youthful stage, a mature stage, a senile stage. Okay. And the end product, and जो end product है, that is a flat penny plane with a surface drainage. So maybe 2 paragraphs में you can give a small box here and tell us initial में what are the features, youthful में what are the features, mature में what are the features, senile में. So open up please page number, एक तो page number 438 देखो. For distribution, look at page number 438 and you want to talk about in India. India में कहाँ पर है? So we have 440 में. They've talked about some of the caves of India, Belam caves, Bora caves, Karnool, Belam, Panchmadi में है, Rovers cave, Sahastradhara, Dehradun, 4-5 names हैं, along the Vindhyas, okay, Bihar में, MP. Look at these things here. Page 440 में है, and page number 444. Karst cycle of erosion. It says so. The concept of karst cycle was applied in limestone area by J.W. Bede, was also applied in limestone area by J.W. Bede and by Jovan Civic. Okay, and W. Davis regarded karst cycle of erosion as a special case of normal fluvial cycle of erosion characterized by development of surface drainage, disappearance of surface drainage, and reappearance of subterranean drainage as surface drainage. Why it is considered to be a special case? And just pick up 4 landforms. Youthful में क्या landforms हैं, sinkhole and the rest. Mature areas में क्या landform है, larger sinkholes, uvalas. And old stage में it again becomes flat penny plane type small remnants called as hums, H-U-M-S. They're called as hums.